One common complaint is that in the settings for the radio you're not able to customize the volume level control, so it's either 0 or really loud, and you're not able to select an intermediate range. The fix for that is you go into Bluetooth, type in hash 0323, press the call button. This would bring up host of factory menu for S160 device. The amp option would be set as built-in fixed, so if you change that to built-in adjustable or external fixed to external adjustable if your unit has external amplifier, that's how you eliminate this problem. So when we go back to radio, you can see that it raises gradually rather than abruptly launch to the maximum volume. If you want to shut down the radio functionality, you need to select a different source of music. Here, by selecting music player, that shuts down the radio. If the radio is not working properly, again we go to hash 0323. Make sure that radio area is selected as EU, because Australia selects the same radio zone as European Union. So just ensure that EU is selected and not the other ones. That's how you fix these issues.